As you can imagine, there are hundreds of potential questions that we're asked on a regular basis. Understandably, however, the two most common ones are, how much will it cost and how long will it take? The first of those questions is nowadays a very tricky one to answer in a neat and tidy way. Generally speaking, the shorter the unexpired lease term and the more valuable the property, the more the lease extension will cost. The 80-year point in the term, however, is the really big problem. It's always been something of an issue, but since May 2016, for reasons which we can explain later, it's almost getting out of hand. Suffice it to say that online calculators are no longer to be trusted for those shorter terms and can potentially be wildly inaccurate. How long will it take? Well, there are short ways and there are long ways. An informal agreement with your landlord is the classic shortcut, and it's not impossible that there could be a solution there for you. There are, however, some very serious booby traps awaiting the unwary, and it's also not impossible to end up with a flat that is virtually unsaleable. Do have a word with us first if you're thinking about going down that particular route. For those who qualify under the legislation, there is also the formal new lease application option. It's not a perfect system and it has its drawbacks, but when push comes to shove, a 6 to 12 month trek through the process could well be your best alternative. You'll end up with a clean and sellable lease, and hopefully with our help, you'll have kept your costs and stress levels to a minimum.